Nothing sells like money. Earn huge commissions by becoming a private lending commercial loan consultant. Private lending has been around for hundreds of years. Anytime banks stop lending, people go back to lending to one another, and the internet has made it easier than ever. Hi, my name is Daniel Wynn, and I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I've been a mortgage banker and financial strategist, real estate investor for the last 25 years. I've also been a private lender, author, marketing authority, father, and world traveler. Here I am with my son at the Beijing Olympics and the Super Bowl the last time the Bears were in the Super Bowl. Wall Street's greed has put us in a very bad situation and sank our ship. People like Bernie Madoff, Countrywide, and record foreclosures caused by the geniuses on Wall Street sank our real estate and mortgage ship in the United States. Here's the opportunity. All the finance companies and subprime lenders are gone. I started out at General Finance, or American General, over 20 years ago. They are now out of business. Household Finance, out of business. Loans I sold to Countrywide and AmeriQuest, both of them are no longer in existence. The demand for money is still there. Housing will not come back until more people have access to credit. 80 million people are locked out of the American dream because of issues like credit, income, bankruptcy, foreclosures, and short sales. Investors are being punished and earning less than 1% on their CDs and savings accounts. This is the best time ever to be selling investment loans and yield to investors. Help us lead the housing comeback revolution by providing capital to real estate investors nationwide. Here are the loans that you'll be able to offer and the property types. Commercial loans on office buildings, apartment buildings, and yes, even land. Residential investments on single-family rentals, 2 to 4 units, condos, and townhomes. Our underwriting guidelines are very flexible. We have programs that are not FICO-driven. We have no doc loans available. We have no seasoning requirements. You can close in the name of a trust or an LLC, and you can have a past bankruptcy, foreclosure, or short sale. Here are investors' current options. The Fed is punishing savers with near zero interest rates, and they can keep their money in those instruments and keep earning little or nothing. And actually they're losing money because inflation's at 2%, they're earning 0.5%, they're actually losing about 1.5% on their money. Or they can make secured investments with real estate as collateral. Here's how we make secured loans. We never exceed 65% loan to value. If a property is worth $100,000, we never lend more than $65,000, and we always make sure our investors keep skin in the game. Here's an example of how much $100,000 earns in the current environment at 1% after 12 months, $1,000 or less, and then at 10% with a private loan or private lending secured by real estate, they can earn up to $10,000. Private lending investors earn more in 1 year at 10% than CD investors do in 10 years at 1%. There are two types of real estate investors that we work with. The active real estate investor, who's the person that likes to go out there and buy properties, fix them up and flip them, or fix them up and hold them as long-term rental properties. And the passive real estate investor, who likes to sit home, choose the best investments to make, and earn a great yield on his investment or her investment. Here's the good news. We help both active and passive investor families and get paid for helping them. And you could do that also as a private lending commercial loan consultant. Remember, nothing sells like money. Earn huge commissions. Become a private lending commercial loan consultant now. Here's how the program works. We provide you all the tools you need to go out and find borrowers looking for investment loans and investors seeking higher returns on their passive investments. Second, you collect the information over the phone or online with the lead capture pages we provide you. Third, you submit the information to us to close the deals, and you go back out and find more leads that you can close. Here's an example of an investor lead capture page that we provide to you. And here's how you get paid. You earn a percentage of the income received at loan closings. You will earn passive income for as long as your investor is invested in our mortgages or trust deeds. You earn commission on anyone you bring directly into the company when revenue is generated from books, training products, loans, and passive cash investors. So how much can you earn? When you find a borrower or private investor, here's an example of a $100,000 loan closing. You can earn between $2,000 and $4,000. If that's not exciting enough, when you find a borrower or private investor with a $500,000 loan closing, you can earn between $5,000 and $10,000. Not a bad day at the office. So who is the Private Lending Group Commercial Loan Consultant Program right for? Passive investors who want to learn how to find the best borrowers to lend to and earn up to 10% interest on their investments. Motivated individuals who want to get paid for helping real estate investors and developers fund commercial and investment properties nationwide. Active real estate investors who need funding for commercial and investment loans nationwide. Be part of our Private Lending Group online community. Once you join, you'll have access 24/7 to all the marketing material, all the online video and training that you'll need to become successful as a commercial loan consultant. Private Lending Commercial Loan Consulting provides the following: access to online training 24/7, step-by-step lead generation systems. We have the best compensation plan in the industry. We'll teach you how to find the best borrowers. You'll get our custom landing pages to help you bring in leads nationwide. You'll have access from your smartphone, iPad, or tablet. And once again, you'll be provided lead generation systems online that will bring leads to you 24/7, even when you're sleeping. Here's what else you receive: marketing materials and strategies that you can hand out, the loan applications and legal documents, safe lending guidelines, online video training, how to close loans in 7 to 14 days, private lending origination training, and affiliate earnings on all of our information products. And here is why you should join the Private Lending Group training program. The Loan Consultant Company sells training to become a commercial loan broker for over $10,000. But you don't need to pay $10,000. For a limited time, you can join our Private Lending Commercial Loan Consultant Program for the low investment price of only $299. And here's the private lending reimbursement offer that you can't refuse. When you close your first transaction with Private Lending Group, we will reimburse you your sign-up investment. That's right, we'll return the investment that you made to become a commercial loan consultant with your very first closing. So what are you waiting for? Order now to get started and join the lucrative world of commercial loan consulting and earn huge commissions selling money. Visit us at www.affiliate.privatemortgagetraining.com.